Welcome to Renew Your Recipe Studio. This is Pantry Powerhouse Series, your go-to place to explore everyday kitchen essentials. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of rice. It's more than just a grain. It's a staple, a symbol, and a source of life for billions. Join us as we go beyond the bowl to understand the incredible journey and impact of this small but mighty food. From sushi rolls to steaming pilafs, from hearty paella to flavorful curry rice, rice is a daily staple for billions. But have you ever wondered how this little grain conquered the world's kitchens? Buckle up. Let's find out. But where did this tiny grain begin its journey? Let's rewind 9,000 years to the birthplace of rice. Rice was first cultivated over 9,000 years ago in Asia, where ancient farmers in China's Yangtze River basin began the journey that would one day feed the world. So how does rice go from seed to plate? Time to step into the field and see how it grows. Rice loves water. Fields called paddies are flooded to grow tender shoots. After months of care, golden grains are harvested and ready for your plate. Once it's harvested, not all rice is the same. Let's take a closer look at the different types. There are many kinds of rice: long grain, short grain, jasmine, basmati, each with its own texture and flavor. Long grain stays light and fluffy. Short grain clings together for sushi and desserts. Jasmine rice is fragrant and soft, and basmati brings a nutty aroma that's perfect for pilafs. From fluffy to sticky, there's rice for every recipe. But rice isn't just tasty, it's powerful. Let's see what makes it a real energy booster. Rice is a great source of energy, packed with carbs to fuel your day. Brown rice even brings fiber, vitamins, and minerals for extra health benefits, because it keeps the bran and germ layers where most nutrients are stored. Looking for a diet-friendly grain? Rice checks a lot of boxes when it comes to nutrition. Low in fat and gluten-free, rice fits many diets. It's a simple, powerful grain that brings steady energy to meals around the world. No matter where you go, rice is there. Let's take a tasty trip around the globe. Think paella in Spain, biryani in India, risotto in Italy, and fried rice in China. Rice is at the heart of so many world-famous dishes. But rice doesn't just feed, it celebrates. Did you know it's also part of weddings and festivals? Rice is more than food. It's part of tradition. In weddings, it's tossed for good luck. And in many countries, there are rice festivals full of music, dance, and joy. Ready to bring rice into your own kitchen? Here are a few do's and don'ts to get it just right. Ever thought about cooking rice yourself? It's easier than you think. Rinse your rice before cooking to remove extra starch. You can serve it fresh, chilled for salads, or reheated. Just make sure you store it safely. Every grain tells a story. Let's honor the legacy of rice through time. From ancient paddies to modern kitchens, rice fuels cultures, nourishes bodies, and connects hearts. Every bowl carries a story of resilience and celebration. So go have a bowl of rice and share your story with us. We'd love to hear it. Stay fueled with fun facts. Subscribe for more delicious journeys.
See you next bite.
This story was brought to life by Renew Your Recipe Studio, where good food meets good stories.